हाय गाइस, who says कि ड्रीम ट्रू नहीं होते। आज मेरा सपना सच हुआ है। आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम आई वाज ड्रीमिंग टू मीट विद अनन्या बिरला मैम। Right now I'm sitting in front of her and going to ask few questions that I have prepared. So my first question is, ma'am, if you were 20 today, where would you invest your money and why?
Firstly, Bhupender, thank you so much for your प्यार के लिए. Thank you so much for the lovely words you said off camera. It meant so much to me. So I would invest. I would try to be as diverse as possible to hedge my risks. Some large stable companies and then some upcoming startups. Maybe in the tech space. There are a lot of promising startups all around the world, especially in India. Maybe I would also invest in my own startups.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this insightful answer because I am pretty sure this is going to be very, very helpful for the youth like me. मैम, आप ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट रहे एंड तो आपने क्या वहाँ पे सीखा जो आपको लगता है कि हमारे इंडियन करिकुलम में मिसिंग है। एंड जो स्टूडेंट HBS हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल या फिर ऑक्सफोर्ड नहीं जा सकते तो आप उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे, वो उस गैप को कैसे ब्रिज कर सकते हैं?
So I think learning is very important. I don't think learning stops after getting a degree. I think we will learn all our lives. My great grandfather G.D. Birla Dadaji used to say, when anyone used to ask him, "Kya karte ho? What's your profession?" He used to say, "I'm a student." And I love that because I think learning is such an integral part. क्या missing है Indian curriculum में? I don't think anything missing है. I think it's just personally I just have my experience. जब मैं ऑक्सफोर्ड गई थी, that was the first time I had done small summer camps, but that was the first time I was away from my family. So I learned a lot about freedom, about how to be independent, about managing my own life, and those were life skills that I developed. At Oxford, one thing I learned, and I'm sure even in Indian colleges you would learn, is the importance of thought process. That is something that I have tried to implement through all my businesses. So whether it's Sophius, the generative AI platform that we're just launching, will be available to public for use by the start of the new financial year, is the importance of thought process. So you can type something in, but the answer you get will be in a certain format so that your brain can understand how to do it and what to do in an easier fashion. So in Oxford, they always said that, right and wrong is secondary. How did you reach that point is more important. And then one more big lesson that I learned at Oxford was opportunity cost. So the opportunity cost of not wearing a seat belt is your life. So if we are sitting here right now, your opportunity cost maybe is going in and enjoying Bombay because you're sitting here with me. So the same thing, right? When you're investing, you don't have to only think of कि मैं अभी ये पैसा कहाँ डाल रहा हूँ. अगर मैं ये पैसा यहाँ नहीं डालता तो और कहाँ डाल सकता. That is also the cost of doing what I'm doing right now or investing right now. So it's very important to keep opportunity cost.
Next question is, so we have seen you wearing different hats. You have been an amazing pop singer. Now you're nailing in impactful ventures. So how did you find your ikigai? And what advice would you like to give to the youth to find their ikigai?
So firstly, anyone watching who doesn't know what their ikigai or their passion is, where they can also earn money, where those circles come together, please don't worry. You don't have to have it all sorted. I think from a very young age, I just knew that business and music were very integral parts of who I am. I think music talks to my soul and business to my heart and my mind. And I need both of them in my life to help keep me in balance. Unfortunately, time management is something that I need to be a bit better at. What would I say for people who are trying to figure out what their ikigai is? Keep experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things. Keep learning new skills. I think learning is very important. If it's a new course, it can be anything like planting, painting, learning how to code. It can be anything. And one thing that I like to always embody, this is a little far away from ikigai, but in life is to have a beginner's mindset. Because if you start your day every day with a beginner's mindset, one, expectations are low, so disappointment will be low. And two, you tend to not have an ego about things and you learn and grasp a lot more.
Very क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. सो मैं ही नहीं, हम बहुत सारे लोग KM सर की झलक देखते हैं आपकी पर्सनैलिटी. तो आपने क्या सीखा है उनसे जो आप अपने बिजनेसेस में इम्प्लीमेंट करें?
So we are very very similar. I think I'm like an exact copy of his. It's like really my friends. They, sometimes it's a little freaky. He's given me a lot of freedom to make my own mistakes, to make my own choices, to grow, to progress. He's also been very supportive in my music and business journey. To be completely honest with you, I haven't gotten any formal business training from Papa. I don't know if it's something that is in my, I don't know if it's right to say कि मेरे blood में है या क्या है, but maybe I've grown up seeing it, so I don't know, it comes quite naturally. That doesn't mean I won't make mistakes. I think just the fact that he's such a supportive father now, that I can say that I love my father most in the world. That's most important.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Of course.
I'm feeling really great.